all you're going to need is a non-sharp butter knife and a pair of replacement ear pads. I'm only going to show you one side, which is going to be the left side, the sensor side, because that's the only one that's a little bit special. And then the other side is self-explanatory. So the first step to remove the old ear pad, you're simply going to grab the butter knife, and you see this gap right here in between the plastic and the ear pad. You're going to shove the knife in between that gap. Now, you don't want to shove the butter knife exactly where the sensor is. You want to shove it all around the ear pad until the ear pad slowly separates everywhere around besides that sensor spot. So I'm going to start with this side, and just slowly you will hear the ear pad pop up every time I release a hook from its slot. And after several sides, it will just be easier to remove. All you gotta do, just pull it out. That is it. You're gonna keep this foam inside. Now let's grab the replacement ear pad. All right, so it's self-explanatory with the left one. The top side is obviously the sensor side, but the bottom side on the other ear pad, because you won't have a sensor, you will be able to tell which side is the bottom by looking at this flap. This flap is flat at the bottom. Now, the way that these ear pads stay in place is, if you can see here, there are several slots all across the ear cup. And there are hooks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hooks on the ear pad itself that correspond with these slots. So what you want to do is you want to grab the ear pad like this while feeling the hook. So I'm feeling this hook with this index finger. And then you want to align it, and you're basically going to push the hook underneath the slot. And you will hear a clicking sound sometimes you won't hear a clicking sound. But once you go around, you will be able to push these hooks into the slots by just feeling them. If you heard this click right now, that means it's in. There's another one. There's another one. And then you just want to go around the ear pad, push it, and that's it. It's securely in place. And then you're going to do the same thing for the other side, and that's it.